I have 3 long pieces of bamboo that I grew and some sand that I didn't grow. Nobody did. It's just sand. And I have a bucket, this bucket, and I've taken the ends and I've cut them as sharp as I could get them so that I can use them to make a bamboo tomato cage for my tomatoes. So I'm going to pour a little bit of sand into the bottom, a couple of inches, and the sand and the bucket are really just there to hold the upright parts of the bamboo together while I tie on the vertical pieces. That's a lot of dust. See all that dust? Don't breathe the dust. I need a little more sand. And I'm not very good at tying knots, so I'm going to use little black cable ties. The black ones hold up in the sun a lot better than the white ones, or the clear ones. And that's the completed tomato cage. And you can see I tied it together at the top. It's pretty tall. I'm 6 feet tall. It's gonna stick in the ground. It'll be 6-ish feet tall in the ground. And this is the tomato plant that I want to put the cage around. And it's a little old, but it's better late than never. I should have done it when it was smaller. May have to feed it through or something like that. Let's see. Oop. Little breakage. So there's this. Alright, I'm having trouble getting it in, to be quite honest. But I'm going to soak the ground some more, and then I'm going to try and push it down some more. And I'm not going to subject you to that. So there's my tomato cage. Thanks for watching. Bye.